Hey everyone, thanks for joining me. Just a reminder, this is actually a two-part video. The first part was on Not Your Rabbit's Food. The link's going to be down below. The first part was on that channel because it's effectively a vegan base. It was a lovely arugula salad with some garlic, tomato, fennel. It smelled wonderful. It's sitting right here. This is actually going to be the base for what we're doing next. We are Amazon Prime members, so what we did do, and no, this video is not sponsored in any way, shape, or form. So what we did do is we took advantage of some of the deals that they had over at Whole Foods. So we have some scallops. What we're going to do first, butter. Yes, it is regular butter. In the nice hot pan. And we're just going to mix that up in a little bit and get that to melt. Once that melts, the scallops go pretty quick. Just quick sear on each side, and they're pretty much done. I'm going to lower the heat on this. Cast iron does conduct a lot of heat, does stay hot for quite some time. And we don't want to overcook the scallops, as they do get a little rubbery. So let's take a look at these. We did look out when we got the Whole Foods. The gentleman at the fish section did mention that these were actually one of the newer batches that they just recently got in. So these should be very nice and fresh, very tasty. That butter smells lovely. All right, here we go. Need a little more heat than that. All right. Oh, listen to that sizzle. That is lovely. Oh, that's a little baby scallop. And I just burnt my finger on the cast iron. All right. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to put as many scallops in here as I can, which pretty much is that. And given how quickly they cook, the first ones that I put down, let's see, probably about 20 seconds ago, are almost ready to flip. So let's give that another couple seconds. What we're going to do is we're going to take these out. We're going to plate them with that arugula salad that we made, and then that's going to be the perfect, quick date night dinner. In total, it'll take about 10, maybe 15 minutes to prepare all this, and it's going to be tasty. It's going to be flavorful. This is also the same pan that I cooked the fennel and the garlic in, and we did tomato. So this is actually going to give the scallops some flavor as well. Let's go ahead and flip those. Don't want to overcook them. Again, they are very, very delicate. All right. Oh, look at that. Those are cooking up beautifully. All right. Now, if they're flipped, what I just want to do is I want to lightly season them. So I'm going to do a little cracked black pepper here on these. Little Himalayan sea salt. All right, and these should be just about done now. Again, scallops cook incredibly, incredibly quick. Yeah, maybe like another 10, 15 seconds, and I can start pulling these off. So, again, this video was in two parts, just to remind everyone. You have that first part with the salad over on my other channel, Not Your Rabbit's Food. And this one, my girlfriend's channel, Pencher Exploits. Obviously, we have the scallops. So let's take these off. Oh, that looks lovely. All right, so we're just going to take a couple of these out, plate them right up. All right, look at that. Perfect date night dinner. Quick, easy, simple, tasty, and healthy. All on a budget, I might add. We did take advantage of some of those Amazon Prime deals over at Whole Foods. So in total, this meal's only going to cost us a couple bucks, which is always a nice thing to do to save money. So if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. Do hit subscribe and hit that notification bell because we got more videos coming out. Take care, everyone.